Yes. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever in the world. This is the bus stop we're going to. Today we're in a train station called Alugam. We're on our way to Yala. That's going to be big things that go on. So check it out. We're so far at the train station. We've got to wait an hour for this train. There's no confirmed time, date, or whatever. It's like a mystery. If you get a ticket like this, like old school, hard tickets, cardboard, 800 rupees.
And also, when you get the tuk-tuk, you have to have cash only, even though we've put our bank card. Apparently they don't do bank transfer, it's only...
And that was using the Grab app. So the Grab app, you know, they want cash. We don't carry cash because it bogs in our shorts and our t-shirts. So, you know, we're using cards, man. What are you dealing with?
So make sure that you've got cash in Sri Lanka.
As well as other currency. Alright, we're out of here. Catch you in a bit. Peace. The Tannoy system announced the arrival of the next train to the hour. So all of a sudden, everybody tried to position themselves on the platform. As the train came in, it started to get a bit crazy. Sorry, excuse me. This is the crazy. Quick, get up. Go. Maria, Colomba. All amenities, and we're traveling like 75 miles an hour. Door open, no safety belt. We're reckless out here. 2.5 hours into the journey, we met some other travellers from the UK.
Full time, that's amazing.
It's not for everybody though.
No.
I mean, we don't know anyone in our circle of family and friends.
The train pulled into another station. This time, people got on, more got off, and again the train moved on. Shooting this directly through the open doors, guys. announcements telling us what station it is we're coming into. We just gotta kind of guess it using the maps that we've downloaded already. There's a top tip for you. When you're traveling, get Wi-Fi, download the area you're in, the country you're in, and you'll be good. WEHER. So this hanging at the door stuff kind of got good to me, right? So there's me taking a shot of the side of the train, traveling at about 90 miles per hour. So there you have it, guys. We travelled along the whole of the stretch of this railway line. We're coming up to the last stop, which is our stop.
3 hours we've been on the train. 3 hours.
Standing in this box area here, which is like, you'd have the parcels for delivery, yeah? This was rammed earlier on, you saw it, yeah? You saw it. Back. And now there's just the two of us left on this train, coming into the last stop. In there, obviously, there's a few people in there. Yo, it's been monumental.
It's a beautiful ride.
We're tired, we're hungry, and we still got more to go. Watch them out, flex. So yeah, another tuk-tuk for us.
So now we're going to go to Yala, and tomorrow we're going to be doing the Yala safari. So we're really looking forward to that. It's going to be a 4:30 start.
We better see a leopard, I'm telling you that. We better see leopard, elephant. We want to see everything. We want to see everything. We want to see everything. This is the time. Anyway, guys, we're in the back of the tuk-tuk. You know it's the Boss Couple 22. We do this, right? Let's go get it, mommy.
Exactly.